Hello everyone, welcome back to AG Blend. I'm Gio George.
This is Ambika.
Today we are going to share with you guys a good South Indian recipe is called Kappa Erachi, also called as Yuca with the beef or tapioca with the beef.
This is one of the most delicious South Indian dish. Whenever I used to take this to work, my coworkers used to ask me, "What is it that smells so delicious?" Since then, I've been getting requests to share this recipe. So, here it is guys. Let's watch how to cook it.
So stay tuned guys.
We have chopped our ingredients for the beef. So we are using 2.5 pounds of beef. For that we have chopped a whole ginger, a whole garlic, sliced 2 of the green chilies. We have also sliced our 2 big red onions, and then some curry leaves. Make sure to use the big red onions because it has more flavors. Alright guys, so this is our 2.5 pounds of beef, which is nicely washed and cleaned. Make sure when you buy the beef to make sure that we have some fat content in it, so that way the dish tastes more delicious. Also make sure that when you cut your beef, make sure that it's in small pieces like this. Alright, we are cooking our beef right now. So we are gonna add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, garlic first, next we're gonna add some ginger into it, chopped gingers, and the curry leaves. Make sure that we mix it very well. Mix it until it turns like a light brown color. Wow, it smells good. The garlic and the ginger and our curry leaf, it gives us a very authentic smell. Alright guys, so our garlic and ginger and curry leaves, it looks like it's like light brown now. So let's add our green chilies. So now we're gonna add our onions. Guys, so now we're gonna add some salt, so that way the onion cooks faster. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of salt. Give it a good mix. If you want, you can add more oil. We use less oil because the beef itself has fat in it, so it's going to be more oily when it gets cooked. And make sure that we cook the onion until it turns light brown. Alright, let me just close the lid. I'll wait like 2 to 3 minutes. Let's add our ingredients. So first we're gonna add a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Alright, so now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder. Now we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of coriander powder. Give it a mix. I know we add a lot of spices to our food. That's what gives it a good flavor and good taste. Alright. Now we have a tablespoon of crushed black pepper. And finally we add 2 tablespoons of garam masala. And this is the garam masala powder. This is also available in our Indian store. We got this from Tamba Grocery. And finally we're gonna add a tablespoon of meat masala and give it a good mix. And let me show you the meat masala. This is the meat masala we get. It's a Kitchen Treasure brand, and we bought this from Tamba Grocery as well. Final step is to add a cup of water. Make sure it doesn't get burned, so give it a good mix. This is a medium spicy dish. For Indian people, we we eat a lot of spices and we make sure that our food is hot and spicy. But like I said, if you don't eat much spices or if you don't eat spicy food, you can make sure that you can decrease the level of ingredients that we add. If, for example, if we added 3 tablespoons of chili powder, then you can decrease into 1.5. So it's up to you how well you can tolerate it. But more spicier, more tastier it is for us. All right, let's open it. Okay, it has cooked well. All the masalas and spices have cooked very well. So now we are gonna add our beef. Make sure that we mix it very good. So we have mixed our ingredients and our beef very well. So now we are gonna close the lid and let it cook for 30 minutes. Okay, so now we are gonna cook our yuca. For this is 2.5 pounds of yuca. I'm gonna add 3 cups of water. When you add water, make sure that the water is right above the yuca level. So like you see in there, like it's just right above the yuca level. So now, all right, now we're gonna add a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a tablespoon of salt and give it a good mix. Cook it for 20 minutes in medium flame. So now it's time to season our yuca. For that we need half red onion chopped, a handful of coriander leaves, 5 cloves of garlic which is also been chopped, also some curry leaves and a tablespoon of mustard seed. This is also available in Indian grocery stores. Our yuca is ready, so I have drained the excess water and this is how it looks. It only took like 15 minutes for the yuca to cook. So normally it takes like 15 to 20 minutes, but this one was cooked in 15 minutes. So this is the consistency you get for your yuca, so that way we can mash. Alright guys, now we're gonna saute our spices and ingredients for yuca. So for that we're gonna use 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. We're gonna add a tablespoon of mustard seed. Then we're gonna add a curry leaf. We're gonna add the chopped garlic. Garlic is turning brown. Now we're gonna add the chopped onions. So this is a half chopped onion. Alright guys, so now we have to smash our yuca so to this consistency, like a thicker consistency. So the yuca is ready. Now we have to mix it with the beef. We are also gonna add the seasoning for the yuca. Final step is adding chopped coriander leaves. So just have to do this. Our beef and yuca is finally ready to be served, and let's see how it tastes.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Mmm. Yummy, yummy. So yummy. Peace out. Peace out. give me water.
It's so damn good. You want some, Mina? How is it? Good? You like it? It's so yummy, right? Man, it's so damn good.
So yummy. Good job, Mama. Good job, Mommy.
Alright everyone, thank you for watching. I hope you guys like the yuca with the beef recipe.
Also, thank you for our subscribers who have sent us the beautiful pictures of the chicken tikka masala recipes that they have cooked. It means a lot to us. We really appreciate it.
Alright everyone, so keep trying, like, share and subscribe.
Until we see you next time,
Stay blessed.